I'm royalty, and welcome to my channel. Got my co-host as my wifey. Let's go cruise to the sea. Subscribe to my channel, please. What is go?
Welcome to the channel. It's the Royal Duo. We have finally made it to Ketchikan, Alaska. Now, before you get too excited, here's a tip. Last shuttle back to the ship is at 11 a.m. Sounds cool because technically you're docked almost 2 extra hours, but truth is, your window is kind of small, especially if you got an excursion like we did. Your shuttle takes you straight back when finished, so no time to explore. When you get off the boat, you enter into a gift shop before you head to the excursion or your shuttle to town. Now, they do have authentic gear, jackets, handcrafted souvenirs, even lumberjack history. The story really shows the lumberjack culture before heading off to the next adventure. You know what made this town extra special? It kind of reminds you that every city has a story. Every town has people who built something before we even got there. The jackets, the woodwork, the lumberjack history, none of it just appeared overnight. Somebody worked long, cold days to build a life out here. And it kind of makes you think we all chopping away at something in life, trying to build something bigger than where we started. Sometimes progress feels slow, sometimes it feels cold, but eventually all that work becomes a part of your story. Now, these sweaters were great. Make sure you try those. We brought about 2 pair, just to let you guys know. I think they were like 20 bucks too. Not too bad in price. Now, if you have an excursion, don't just stand around confused like we almost was. You actually have to find your sign, kind of like getting picked up at the airport. Everybody holding signs, people walking around confused, trying not to miss their ride. Eventually, we found our van, and it was off to enjoy Ketchikan. They had nice views too.
Time stands still, a moment clear, over every hill, no trace of fear. Oh, 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 oh.
Eventually we make it to our excursion, and this one was different. Today we make our own whiskey. Now, before we even touched anything, they gave us a little history lesson on the company, but the kicker was, while you're sitting there trying to be respectful and listen, they just casually start bringing around different liquors for you to try, from whiskey, spirits, little samples everywhere, like welcome to class. But first, let's get irresponsible responsibly. Listen, it's 5 o'clock somewhere. And yes, before you ask, we definitely tried all the liquors. After that, they took us to another room to show us the actual process, more history, how everything was made, more flavors, how they develop over time. Honestly, pretty dope seeing what goes into something people usually just pour into a glass and forget about. But enough talking, because now we actually get into the real fun and we get to create our own whiskey. Here's the class. Let's get into it. All right, so now we finally making our own whiskey. Let's choose our poison. All right, so you have options between whiskey or tequila. I chose whiskey. Can't go wrong. And, well, she followed. Then came the spices. They had all different flavors and ingredients you could mix in and make your own sweet, smoky, spicy. Basically, you out here feeling like a scientist trying not to mess up your drink.
You don't even know what it is. What's Angelica?
I was a bit confused.
Well, we know you want cinnamon.
But I don't know how that'll taste with strawberry, mango, cinnamon. If I did strawberry, mango with cinnamon, would the cinnamon overpower it?
I don't think so, no. Check it in a week. If the cinnamon tastes good enough in a week, I would pour it out, because we're going to give you filters.
Okay.
Pour it out, take the cinnamon stick out, and then put your liquor back in, and it'll keep all that flavor that is there. But
This is another view of some of the flavors. And this is the smoker section. If you like a smoky drink, this is where you go.
Strawberry, mango, 5 drops.
Oh, I did peach drops and orange peel for the draw.
Okay.
But we need to come back.
Wait. We need to do a little bit more, just in case.
After you finish seasoning your beverage, you pour it into your bottle.
I can smell your smoke.
Now this is the finished product. Now, I had many different flavors, as you can see. Feel free to pause and take a look. Some of the flavors that I used. Shaterica was very minimalistic. I probably should have followed her lead. She had peach flavor, orange peel, cherry smoke, and whiskey. Pretty simple.
Still and slow.
Just because you fell asleep early, I didn't fall asleep early like you. I still fell asleep at like almost 12.
So Shaterica needs a nap.
I do.
It is
I need food.
11:30. I have officially surpassed Shaterica. I've been struggling this whole week. This whole week I have been struggling, and now I have.
You in bed with me and fall asleep before.
Freeze. Little background on Erica. She does not like to lose, but because I'm the one making the edits, I get the last word today. I win. But nah, I was struggling that entire week. Now let's get back to the video.
So the waves are ridiculous. Look at
You can't
this.
even see it. They probably won't be able to see it off the camera.
I mean, they can see it a little bit.
We're also lower. So
I don't know, but it just look rough. It's a rough ride. I mean, it don't feel that bad today. We are in the back of the boat. I got sugar in my name. I had sugar in it. Right here.
Yeah.
Okay. I had sugar on my lips.
But I haven't seen given. Most of the time when we look out, we're in our room and we're way higher up. We're higher up. What's that one? Mango? The straight mango?
Yeah. They've been doing it right.
17. Not too much.
Give me cheers to Jeffrey. Bling. Ooh.
I heard it. She's like, I'm so full, girl. I was like, I get it because you just overeat because it's free. She's like, yes, I'm glad you understand. I'm like, lady can't help that.
Right.
She was like, man, me too. And then we was all in there just talking about how we just all bloated and we eating too much because we fat.
Because if it's free, it's for me.
That part.
So I had me a Caesar salad for the half diet. This croissant dish was delicious. I'm sorry I forgot the name of it, but it was on the appetizer menu.
It's a little
Don't
good.
think it's sweet.
I think it's good.
Bruh,
Gotta dip it in the sauce.
that's my, this ain't your sauce.
The chicken was cooked perfection. I loved it. Shaterica actually started to eat off of my plate.
Yeah, you ordered double fries. How you like your brisket? The rotisserie chicken is good. You wish you ordered mine. The rotisserie chicken is delicious. As you can see, she's eating my plate more than her own plate. So definitely recommended the rotisserie chicken. That's a 9. I give it a 9.
And it was
It's
juicy.
delicious. I can't even eat my own food.
Now I had dessert. I think this was like a Snickers kind of dessert. I don't know why I ordered it. I'm not a fan of nuts.
My chicken was delicious. It was. Season. And so far, this was the best. Was the Snickers was the best dessert?
Snickers pound cake.
Huh?
Snickers pound cake.
Okay.
Best dessert.
Mine was the butterscotch cheesecake at
You
Cagney's.
don't like cheesecake.
Right. It was delicious for me.
Yeah.
Now, even though I didn't like the Snickers, she devoured it, so she enjoyed it. So I can't say too much about it.
Yeah. So far, this was the best complimentary dinner, I would say. 100%.
Well, that's all we got for today. See you guys in the next one.